Hey up!
Hey up!
Is this going on YouTube?
Oh yes! Now then folks, we're out again. Out on the Honda. Going to do a couple of green lanes again. And I might do that one that I did last time. Didn't do all of it and should have done, so I'm going to do all of it. So we'll do a couple this time. So we'll get to these green lanes. Hopefully nothing too technical for me. So we'll see when we get a bit nearer. In a bit. Right. Yeah, there's green lane. Come in. Just want to have a look down here. It's a nice gentle gravel. Yep. It's sandy here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gravelly. Oh, get up here where it's a bit harder. Woo. All over the shop. And pot oils. And that view. Put me. I won't, just in case. So that bit back there were a bit stony, that. Very loose. Reaching second. Nice bit of exploring. Yeah, keep going. Now we're near the end now. Yes, that was alright for a beginner. On road. You got drone up, never mind. What was I saying here? Is that off again? Back on, I should have said. So, don't come in now. Loose under here. Oh, I didn't put my next destination in. It. Going down here again. What do you reckon? Go on. In there, look. Well, oof. Over. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, 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 oh. Careful. Steady, steady, steady. leg's aching. Wow. Oof, oof. Christ. Oof, can we get off it? Well, tractor's been on it. Oh, pull it up in that place again for a rest. Chucking some dust up behind us. We're there. I'm pulling in for a cup of tea. No, I'm not. I ain't got any bloody tea. Stand down. Where is it? First. Christ. Get drone up. Want it? One more like that. I did stop and get drone up, and I wasn't recording for most of that. What a turn it! How to practice with a drone. It's a bit of a faff and all in it though. So. And then when I'd stopped, I'd switched my chin camera off. So missed some of that. Missed a little bit of that trail. Now we're tensing up. Aching a bit, not blowing, but that was good, didn't drop it. Yes, wanted to do that one again. So we went out on the Triumph yesterday to Willingham Woods. Stopped at Thorncalf on the way for breakfast. Met up with a couple. And it was nice to meet and sit chatting for a couple of hours to Steve and Sharon, a couple of followers. Lovely job. Nice to meet you. Hope to see you again soon. Yeah, so them couple of green lanes I've just done, they're in Vale of Beaver. There's one or two around there. Nearest to me anyway, for the longest ones. Went to one. I thought, I'm not doing that. It was proper deep 4x4s or tractors had been down it. And yeah, it didn't look very good at all, so I thought I'd give that a miss till I've had a bit more experience. I know there'll be people out there saying, you ain't like a woman. Don't care. You're a bigger woman for saying it, so crack on. Oh, that stinks. Right, let's head on. Right, I'm heading home now, folks. That's it. See you on the next one. Bye. Bye now.
So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.